Okay, now we're going to talk about finding the lateral surface area. That would be the area of the faces, but that area would not include the bases. And so, as you can see, the bases are shaded blue in this three-dimensional diagram. Also, over here to the side, I have an open net of the very same three-dimensional figure. I just opened it up and it formed a net. So the blue uh, sides are going to continue to be the bases, and when we find the lateral surface area, we will not include those blue sides. Okay, I also want you to keep in mind that there are identical sides to each face. So the top has an identical side and measurement to the bottom, and I have that in red. So here's our top and bottom, as well as the left and right side has an identical side to each other. So here's our left and our right sides. So these are the only areas that we will actually be calculating. So let's begin with the top and the bottom. So the area of the top, that particular rectangle is a 6 by 2. I'm sorry, a 6 by 3. So a 6 by 3 is the top, 6 by 3, it's red. And we have two of those. So we would multiply 2 times 6 times 3. And then we're going to add that to the left and right, which in green represents a 2 by 6. So in green it represents a 2 by 6. And we also have two of those, so we're going to multiply 2 times the 6 by 2. Okay, and so now we're just going to simplify our calculations here and find the lateral surface area. So 2 times 18 will be the first one, and we're going to add that to 2 times 12. Okay, so 2 times 18 would be 36, and then 2 times 12 is 24. And if we just add those two together, we should get 60. So our lateral surface area would be 60 square feet for this particular rectangular prism.